make it. No.
Yes. Say yes, we will.
Yes, we're gonna make it. 2,000 miles. I rebuilt everything. New bell housing, new upper oil pan, new clutch, new viscous fan, new water pump, new some other odd stuff, center bearing, all kinds of new stuff, and all kinds of rebuilt stuff. This van is as good as it is coming out of the factory. So we should make it 2,000 miles. Let's go to Maine. I'm just spraying the pulleys and yeah, any moving parts with WD-40 because I feel like there's like a little belt chirping, which might be an alternator bearing. We're looking good. Not losing any oil. Temps are fine. The odometer stopped working. That's about it. It's not one thing, it's another.
Sometimes it doesn't start.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't start, like right now. So I gotta troubleshoot why it's not starting. I'm thinking it's probably a bad ground or something. Not it. I'm gonna test something real fast to see if it's a bad earth or anything. This is probably ground into the frame pretty well, maybe. I'm gonna take the same lead and hook onto the negative. Probably eliminated a bad ground from the battery. So, when this starts, something weird.
Well, because it's not the battery. The battery is charging.
The battery's, as far as I know, is really good.
Yeah. Huh.
The last option is to take a screwdriver and just ground it out on the starter motor itself, and I've done that in the past several times. Overall, everything else is looking pretty nice though.
Are from Mississippi?
Yes, ma'am. 26 hours.
26 hours.
1,620 miles. We've gone almost about 400 miles. Start today? Top speed, we've gotten up to 70 miles an hour. We cruise at 60. It has been a long drive, very tiring, lots of driver fatigue from moving this bus around. Burn a little bit of oil, but that's probably because we're doing like 2,200 RPMs for 10 hours a day. But I think we'll make it pretty far today. Try to do at least 500 miles a day. It doesn't sound good.
At least we're not doing that.
Oh, their heat shield's probably on the ground.
Yeah. Boo. Jump number 2.
If you guys know what that might be, let me know. Either coming from this thing or the transmission.
Success looks like, I guess.
That's what it sounds like. No more clanking. I don't know. One of the bolts for the transmission is loose, or the transmission mount. So tighten it up. Somebody please buy this for a lot of money so I can get a new boat.
Start number 3. Back where it all started.
Right?
Home stretch.